A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to your maths class. In our previous class, we started chapter number 5, decimals. From that chapter, we have covered some topics like reading decimals, converting fractions to decimal numbers, place value, expanded form, equivalent decimals, like and unlike decimals, comparing decimals, and ordering of decimals. Today, again, we are going to continue the same chapter, but the topics which we are going to cover today are addition of decimals and subtraction of decimals. In addition or subtraction, we always write the numbers one below the other such that the decimal point of one number matches with the decimal point of other number. Then we add or subtract the numbers as we usually do in addition or subtraction. After that, we put the decimal point in the same position directly below the decimal point of the numbers being added or subtracted. To understand this, let's see an example. Add 0.5 and 0.3. So, let's write 0.3 below 0.5. Now we have to add, so we will add just like we add the whole numbers. So 5 plus 3 will give us 8 and 0 plus 0 will give us 0. Then we should keep in mind the place of decimal which is lying in the same position. Therefore, now our answer will be 0.8. Another example, add 2.7, 5.42 and 64.305. So let's write the numbers such that their decimal place lies in the same position. As we know that when we add numbers, the ordering of numbers doesn't matter. So it will apply in decimal numbers as well. We can write it in any order. Now to make it easier, I have added 0, which is not going to change the value, but it will help us in addition. 0 plus 0 plus 5 gives us 5. 0 plus 2 plus 0 gives us 2. 7 plus 4 plus 3 gives us 14. So I have written 4 here, and just like we add the whole numbers, the carry goes on to the next column. Therefore, 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 carry gives us 12. Again, we'll write 2 here and 1 carry will go to the next column. Therefore, 6 plus 1 carry will become 7. And thus, our answer will be 72.425. Now, subtraction of decimals. This will be done in the same manner as we have done addition. The only difference is that here we will subtract the numbers. So, let's see an example. Subtract 21.430 from 82.560. So let's write the smaller number below the greater one. So 0 minus 0 gives us 0. 6 minus 3 will give us 3. 5 minus 4 will give us 1. 2 minus 1 will give us 1. And 8 minus 2 will give us 6. Again, we should keep in mind the place of decimal point should vary on the same position. Therefore, now our answer will be 61.130. Another example, let's subtract 76.43 from 90. Here we are subtracting the decimal number from a whole number. As 90 is the larger number, so we will write 90 before decimal point. And after decimal point, we will write 0, which will not change the value of 90. Then we will write 76.43 just below the above number. Now we will subtract and we'll get the answer as 90.00 minus 76.43. Just like whole number, we will subtract this number as well, and the only thing which we should keep in mind is to keep the decimal point on the same position. So after subtracting, we got 13.57, which is our answer. Let's try to solve some questions from exercise number 3, question number 1. C. Add the following: 18.52, 27 and 64.569. So we will write all the three numbers below each other such that their decimal point lies in the same position. After writing the numbers in such manner, we will add 0 wherever needed. At last, we will start adding just like we add whole numbers. Here, after adding, we got the answer as 110.089. Exercise number 3, question number 2, C. Subtract the following: 8.888 from 10. Here 10 is the whole number and 10 is the larger number as well, so we will write 10 first. Below that we will write 8.888 in such a manner that the decimal point lies in the same position. After writing the numbers below each other, now we will subtract just like we used to subtract the whole numbers. Here, after subtracting, we got the answer as 1.112. Exercise number 3, question number 3A. Sita eats 50 gram of rice, 20.75 gram of dal and 37.925 gram of vegetables. What is the total intake of Sita? So the solution will be: Sita ate rice 50 grams, Sita ate dal 20.75 grams, Sita ate vegetables 37.925 grams. So the total intake of Sita will be 50 grams plus 20.75 grams plus 37.925 grams. Let's write all the three numbers below each other in such a manner that the decimal point lies in the same position. And then let's add the numbers. After adding, we got 108.675. So our answer will be 108.675 grams was the total intake of Sita. Let's try to solve one more question. Exercise number 3, question number 3C. Sham spent rupees 25 for buying chocolate, rupees 37.5 for buying burger, and rupees 350.75 for buying pizza. How much did Sham spend for buying these? So the cost of chocolate is equal to rupees 25. Cost of burger is equal to rupees 37.5. Cost of pizza is equal to rupees 350.75. Therefore, the total money spent will be equal to rupees 25 plus rupees 37.5 plus rupees 350.75. So let's write all the three numbers one above each other such that their decimal point lies in the same position. And then we need to add these numbers. Here, after adding, we got the answer as 413.25. Therefore, our answer will be rupees 413.25 was the total money spent by Sham. I hope you have understood the concept of addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Keep practicing. See you in the next class. Thank you.